Hello, everyone. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey across Asia's apple orchards, where farmers dedicate their lives to harvesting an incredible 6 million tons of apples each year. We're not just talking about a delicious, nutritious fruit. We're diving into a world of culture, pride, and the unwavering commitment of millions of people. To reach this staggering number, these farmers go through seasons filled with challenges, from nurturing each apple tree throughout the year to carefully harvesting at the perfect ripeness. And in this story, it's not just them alone. Advanced technology and innovative machinery also play a huge part in making the dream of harvesting 6 million tons of apples come true. Join me as we explore every detail of the farmers' lives, their joy as each apple ripens on the branch, the daily struggles they overcome, and their pride in knowing that their work will reach people around the world. Before we reach those vast orchards, let's go back to the beginning, that moment when the first seed is planted. In every country, apple trees have their own story. In China's fertile provinces of Shandong and Sichuan, the trees thrive in a temperate climate and nutrient-rich soil. Meanwhile, in Japan, especially in Aomori, apple trees benefit from long, cold winters, which give Japanese apples their unique sweetness and flavor. Distinct from any other variety, farmers understand that every natural factor, from weather to soil, is a precious gift. Even the smallest change can affect the entire crop. This is why they carefully monitor every shift in nature, adapting their care techniques so the trees can thrive in their specific environments. Each year, during harvest season, the orchards are filled with a vibrant array of apple varieties: bright red Fuji, orange-pink Gala, crisp green Granny Smith. Each one is not only different in color but also carries its own unique flavor and story. For instance, Fuji apples, known for their sweet and crunchy profile, started in Japan and have become popular worldwide. Farmers take meticulous care of each variety, from precise pruning to ensure sunlight reaches every apple, to providing the right amount of water and nutrients for each growth phase. Every apple variety is a journey that the farmers patiently walk through, season by season. To achieve a bountiful apple harvest, a year-round, meticulous care process is essential. In spring, the first buds appear, tiny green shoots reaching up under the warm sun. In summer, small apples start forming, and farmers vigilantly guard them from pests and disease. Each day, they carefully inspect every branch and apple to prevent any mold or insect damage. This process is time-consuming but necessary to produce the perfect apples. The era of technology has brought a fresh wave of innovation to agriculture, and the apple industry is no exception. Today's apple orchards aren't just filled with baskets carried by farmers, they're also supported by cutting-edge machines, invaluable assistants that make harvesting faster and more efficient than ever. In China, apple picking machines can detect ripe apples automatically, with robotic arms designed to gently pluck each apple without damaging its skin. In South Korea, advanced cutters and harvesters weave through rows of apple trees, collecting apples with precision to save time and effort. These machines not only boost productivity but also protect the apples, ensuring they stay fresh and intact until they reach consumers. Thanks to the combination of modern technology and the farmer's skillful hands, each apple reaches its peak in color, flavor, and quality, a process that viewers would struggle to imagine if they didn't witness it firsthand. The sight of harvest days is both beautiful and memorable. Across vast apple fields, The atmosphere is filled with laughter and chatter. As the morning sunlight breaks through the mist, farmers gather, ready for a long day of work. What you may not know is that apple harvesting is not just a job. It's a family tradition. A bond that cannot be broken. In many places, entire families, from the elders to the youngest children, take part in the harvest. Grandparents teach the younger ones how to pick the ripest apples and how to carefully place them in baskets without bruising them. Each time an apple lands softly in a basket, the farmers feel a growing sense of pride in their hard work. Pride in each sweet fruit they produce. Of course, along with joy come many hardships. Unexpected rain, scorching heat, and outbreaks of pests all pose challenges. But with experience and love for their apple orchards, farmers persevere, ensuring every harvest season is filled with golden, vibrant fruit, brimming with life. Thank you for watching our entire video. If you like it, please give us a like, a comment and a channel subscription to support us. Good luck.